Hey guys, let me show you this Samsung washing machine. It's an active water jet and a smart care. And it's in 2 minutes now. It's in quick wash cycle and it took forever. Like I literally, oh my gosh, I never literally like post videos until that late. Anyways, let's wait 2 minutes. And this includes smart things. It was released in 2022, by the way, just like my aunt's washer. My other aunt. No, this is literally. And can I sing along with the sheep song? This is a Spanish sheep song. Yes, literally. Face reveal this time. All right, starting soon.